So fantastic. In this video, I am going to show you how you can insert video in the presentation. So watch till the end because there are multiple things that you really need to consider. So this is the PowerPoint which I just taken as an example. Let me just go to slide 2. Now for you to insert the video, okay, so all you need to do is just click on insert. Okay, once you click on insert, you have an option at the right side where it says as a video. Okay, so once you click there, you see two options. One is insert online video or video from my PC. Okay, so I'll show both the options and what are things that you should really consider as well. Okay, so let's consider the first one as online video. Okay, now for that, let me just take one of the videos. So this is one of my videos. So let me just copy the URL of this. Okay, and once you click on video, just click on online video and just insert the URL. Okay, so once you click on insert, the video will appear here. So you could see that, okay, the video is appearing, and by default PowerPoint also shows some of the options, the design ideas that is there. You can certainly use them, or you can do your own design as well, I would say. Okay, so what you can do once that is there is you have the option to drag the way you want or how you want to place it. So you can certainly do that. So let me just put this in center. So you could see that the video is playing right now. Okay, so you can adjust it the way you want. So this is where I would like to place it. And certainly you can have, if you want to write text or something, you can just write a text as well. So just click on insert and go to text box, and let me just say as test video. Okay, so I'll just bring this to center and bold. So this is how you can add online video. Okay, and if you just go to the presentation, if I just do as function shift F5, okay, and if I just play it, so you could see that the video is being played right now. Now let me show you how you can actually add a video that is there in your system. Okay, so this is the first simple way of doing if it is an online video. Now let me show you the other one. So let me just delete this and take one of the video that is there in my system. So I'll just take this video. So if it is in your system, you can just simply drag and drop. Okay, or if you don't want to drag and drop, you can just click on again, go to insert. Okay, click on video on my PC, and you can also browse. Okay, so either you can drag and drop or you can browse. You can do both the options. So now you could see that, okay, it has completely fit to the screen. I don't want it to be completely on the screen, so again I can just minimize it the way I want. So now I'm going to tell you some of the cool features that are there. Okay, so I'm just aligning it to the center. So this is how the video is going to look right now, and you have an option where you can also do like an animation. Once you double click on the video, okay, it actually opens the video format. Okay, now the beauty is you can also make it look a lot more fantastic. So you have a lot of design that is there. Say for example, okay, I want to select something like this, right? You can see that, okay, it's looking a lot more fantastic, or you can certainly change to whatever look you want. Okay, like this or this, or you want to make it like a curved shape or something like that, or you want to give extra border, you can certainly do that. You want to give a black border which looks like a TV right now, so you can do whatever the way you want to showcase it. Okay, so that's how you can do it. Now one other feature that I want to show you is, so once you double click, okay, so these are all the options that you see, and you also have the video shape. Okay, whether you want rectangle, square, or something like that. Now the most important thing what I want to show is in playback section. So once you go to playback section, say for example, okay, you don't want this complete video to be played during the session. In that case, you can actually trim it. So you have something like a trim video, just click on that, and you see this green section and red section. So you can just drag this from where the video should start. Okay, exactly, say for example, this is what I want to show, and you can just hit OK. Okay, so that section will be cropped. Now say for example, the video is too long, and while you are presenting, you also want to have some bookmark. So even that option is there where you can actually add bookmarks. So let me just tell you how to do that. Now say for example, okay, I want to exactly show when there are two cars that are coming closer. Okay, say for example, so you see there is another car also that is approaching. Okay, now say for example, I want to bookmark this. So all you need to do is just click on add bookmark. So it has added a bookmark at this point, and if you want to add, you can add multiple bookmarks as well. So say for example, I want to add a bookmark here as well. Okay, so that's how you can add a bookmark as well, so that while you are playing, you can directly jump to that point. So that's about bookmarking. And so one other thing that you can do is you can select, okay, when you go to playback section, you can select when should the video play, okay, in click sequence, or should it play automatically, or when clicked on it. Okay, so say for example, I would prefer it to be played automatically, so I'll just keep it as automatically. And so with that, now let's see how it actually appears once we play it. Okay, so let me just quickly save this, and let me so now let me just start the slideshow and show you how exactly it looks. Okay, let me just click on start from beginning. So let me just continue. So you could see the video is automatically playing right now. So that's how exactly you can add a video to your presentation. And once you bring over your mouse, okay, you can see once you bring the pointer, you can see that there is a bookmark here. Okay, and also you have a bookmark here. So you can just quickly jump into that bookmark so that you can take them directly to the important sections, whatever you want to show in the video. So that's how exactly you can insert a video in the PowerPoint presentation in PowerPoint 2020. If you want to grow your YouTube channel, then just click on the link in the description and register for my free YouTube masterclass, in which I am going to share 3 most important secrets to build a fantastic channel. See you in the next video.